So I heard that the pitches are not ready, but the audience is definitely ready. So I'm happy to introduce the next kind of flow from TED to Mektory, finishing the pre-incubation program Starter Tech Advanced. And we had preliminary rounds with 20 teams presenting their ideas, and 9 of them, the best ones, were selected to be here. So I'm very happy to present the first one. Tatiana, the floor is yours.
Hi, my name is Tatiana, and I'm CEO and founder of Flavatech. We develop artificial lighting systems for greenhouse operators to increase yield and decrease energy consumption. Now, most greenhouses use lighting that is inefficient, expensive, and both damaging for the plant and environment. More than that, they use blanket solution for all the plants. We have developed a combination of hardware and software to give each and every plant the perfect growing conditions. More than that, we were able to decrease energy consumption by 10 times and increase yield up to 10 to 20%, in some cases up to 40%. The value of our startup comes not only from our technology, but also from our business model. We are the first ones in the field who gives the possibility of a subscription business model. We provide access to our hardware, software, and database of optimal growing conditions based on a monthly fee. If the client already has a LED system installed, we can just provide access to our software. Our technology is really complicated, and it's good because it's very hard to copy us. But on the other hand, it takes a long time for us to do research and development. So we save customers money by decreasing energy consumption. We provide them with more income by improving quality and quantity of yield. We also decrease light pollution and give additional space to grow plants because our system can be used both vertically, horizontally, and underground. We have won several startup competitions. The extreme one was polar bear pitching. And we've been published in the biggest media all over Europe, US, and Asia, as well as where we are chosen for EIT Climate Kick and EIT Food Accelerators. At the moment, we have 4 customers and in advanced negotiations with 7 of them. We have visited US Silicon Valley as well as Chinese Silicon Valley, and we are working on cooperation agreements right now. By the first quarter of 2019, we are planning to have 50 to 100 pilot customers. Due to high demand from North America, we are also starting R&D project in cannabis field. At the moment, we are looking for funding to accelerate our growth and to expand our team. We would need around 400,000. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. And the next one is Green Fuel.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Piyush, and I'm the co-founder of Green Fuel. We produce hydrogen using biomass. I come from India, and 14 Indian cities are amongst the 15 most polluted cities in the world. But when I travel to US and when I travel across the globe to Russia, I realize it's not just an Indian problem. It's a world catastrophe. In Estonia, I can smell the grass when I walk down the road. When I wake up in the morning, I have sparrows on my window. Both of these things you don't find in India anymore, just because of the pollution. And it's painful to see that Estonia is going the same path. There are tons of cars coming out on the road every single day. And 25% of this entire global pollution is because of the cars that we drive. But we can't stop driving cars, can we? Neither do I want you to stop driving cars. I want you to drive more cars, but on a greener fuel. That's hydrogen. So that's where we come. We are a good team of 3 people with years of experience in business operations, finance, brand, marketing, and chemistry. So here's what we're doing. So we have found a catalyst with around 10 years of research which will increase the production of hydrogen using biomass by up to 100%. And if we can do that, I mean, we can really commercialize the hydrogen. We already have market available around us in Europe itself, in Southern Europe, Western, and in US. So what we want to do is we want to produce hydrogen and make it an exportable commodity from Estonia. And at the same time, we are also talking with Circle K. They are with us because they're ready to sell hydrogen to the consumers. And we have made first contact with Toyota already so that we can bring the hydrogen cars to Estonia. So at the same, we want to make it an exportable commodity. At the same time, we want to make an ecosystem here so that Estonians can also drive hydrogen cars. So I know we all worry about our planet. We love it, but it's not time just to love. Please, let's work something. It's an appeal for all of you to walk with us, and let's save the planet. Thank you.
And I'm happy to present the next one. Tiiu, please.
Hello and good afternoon to everybody. Oops. My name is Rasmus, and this is my friend and partner Ojar. And we are here today in order to introduce you to a new virtual accountant called Tiiu. Just like all companies in Estonia, also small businesses have to organize their accounting in a certain way. This is currently this problem is being currently solved by purchasing this as a service from outside accounting firms, which is not the best service, as the updating of financial information has a certain lag in it, and you will not get a very operational overview about the cash flows of a company and neither of your overall financial situation. Therefore, we have come up with our solution, Tiiu, which is a fully automated accounting platform. So what is so special about Tiiu? First of all, it will be a highly user proactive solution, meaning it will be in a dialogue with its user, pointing out to certain tasks that one should take care of. Secondly, we are talking about a full automation solution, meaning Tiiu will do your salary calculations, prepare and submit the tax declarations, as well as your annual reports. It is also worth to mention that we are able to create a direct bank link between Tiiu and your bank accounts, meaning you will be able to monitor and control the cash flows on your bank account directly through your accounting application. You don't need to log into your internet banking system separately. You will have all the information from one place. It is clear that we have entered a sort of an age or era where most of office administration and support tasks will be automated one way or another. We are certain that accounting will be one of the first administration tasks that will be fully automated, and we are sure that Tiiu will be an ideal solution in this field for small businesses. Thank you for your attention and enjoy the rest of the event.
Thank you, Rasmus. And now I have the pleasure to give the floor to O to B.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Olga. I'm founder of O2B team. We allow people in coma to communicate with external world through software, converting brain waves into understandable speech. How we are doing this? We are using BCI. From BCI, we can read signals from brain. It is like one electrode there. After that, we put the signals and processing them to have sounds, understandable speech. For now, we don't have direct competitors, but we have indirect competitors. They use alternative solution just to control these vital parameters of patients. Also, one startup company, Mind Beagle, they also work with this to understand what they say, but they have another approach. We use signal processing, but they use through motor neuron system, and they have answers only yes or no answers. why we are better than them. We provide more fulfill communication and advanced solution instead of yes or no answers. Our business model is B2B, and the target group is hospitals and brain research centers. There are annually 230,000 of people in coma every year in Europe. And we are planning to start from Scandinavian countries. Currently, we are doing market research for planning revenue streams for 1, 2, and 5 years. We are also, for going to the market, we will do our pitches on conferences to participate in brain research and neurology conferences. We are a team. For now, we are 4. I'm project manager and I have experience in healthcare sector for 4 years. Now I'm becoming healthcare engineer. Also, we have 3 software developers. What we are planning to do next? First of all, to finish prototype. Then to test it on healthy people. After that, on people in coma, licensing, and then going to the market. What? We are searching for foundation 200,000 euros for developing software. Software will convert brain waves into understandable speech. My name is Olga. This is O2B. Let's make it happen. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Olga. And the next one is Tricolor and Kaisa.
Hello, my name is Kaisa. I am the CEO of Tricolor. We are making 3D printing sustainable by making it possible to print from wood waste. Globally, there are 200 million tons of sawdust produced every year. All this leftover material can be upcycled and given a new value. 3D printing is revolutionizing the way things are being produced, and it's evolving fast. Last year, more than 5 million 3D printers were sold. The only problem is that more than 80% of 3D printing materials are based on plastics, and it's not possible to print from wood. Printing with plastic releases toxic particles and fumes in the air, and that is damaging to the environment and to the people working with this. There are some alternatives on the market, for example, wood plastic composite filament that contains about 30% of sawdust and 70% of plastics. But the end result is still plastics, and it takes hundreds of years to degrade in nature. Our solution is the 3D printing device that you can easily attach to most 3D printers. This enables you to use our sustainable material based on sawdust and non-toxic binders. Compared to crafting and CNC, you can make any kind of wooden objects faster and easier, saving money, resources, and the environment. Our main customers are companies and designers producing wooden objects or complicated designs and structures that can't be done by hand or by any other machine. Our team got together last October at Garage 48 Hackathon. The topic was eco-innovation and circular economy. There we won 3 main prizes. Since then, we have gone through the Ajuja Top 30 and Prototon Top 40 development program and started Tech Incubator. We are also the finalists in Megawatt Resource Efficiency competition. Our team has a highly skilled engineer and a 3D printing expert, a material scientist, a designer, and a wood technologist. Right now, we are developing our material to make it even more sustainable, and we are advancing our extruder part. We already have first customers contacting us and asking for price offers. This is where we need your help to deliver the first products. In If you are interested or you want to know more, you can contact me directly at kaisa@treecular.com. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Kaisa. And now, discover me, please. The floor is yours.
Hello, my name is Sten.
Hi, I'm Fred. Oh, what is this? Okay. So, when we are talking about sourcing new products for retailers, the problem for buyers is that they have no control over information inflow, while thousands of suppliers are fighting for buyers' attention. So today, they are doing basically cold calling, cold emailing, attending trade shows. It's not very efficient in terms of time and money for both sides. So if you manage to get the buyer's attention, these are the slides you have to fill. Now you can imagine how hard and time-consuming it is to extract the information from these slides. Not fun at all.
Our solution is a platform where you can find and compare thousands of products online. So, how it works? Suppliers create their product profiles, fill it with key information, and share it to buyers with a single click of a button. Buyers select categories they want to see. And on our dashboard, buyers can find and compare thousands of products that match their criteria and can make a contact with the supplier instantly. We are streamlining buying process for retailers and giving suppliers control over product visibility and reach.
So let's talk about competition. I believe you all know Nielsen, who's doing consumer market research. Also, there are some businesses like Quick, who's providing product information management services, and also there's trade shows. And we are combining all three of them into one single platform. Also, here are some of our key partners. I believe you know Coop. They are interested in what we are doing. Also, we have some suppliers who are also interested to get to the foreign markets through our platform. And we are in talks with Albert Heijn, who's Netherlands' biggest retail chain.
We are the future of retail. We are digitalizing product discovery process. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Discover Me. And now, HPAC, please.
Hello, everybody. My name is Annette, and I represent HPAC. Over 2.5 billion cups of coffee are being sold in the world every day. And these cups are inlaid with polyethylene to make them waterproof. This also means that these cups are not degradable. In the UK alone, 95 million cups are being sold, and only 0.25% are being recycled. If an average coffee drinker would switch to a reusable coffee cup, they could save around 120 euros in a year. We are HPAC, and this is our product, H-Cup. We have a modular design, so you could customize your own size of the cup. In addition to that, we have a non-sticky layer inside, so the cup would be easy to clean on the go. We're also using organic-based materials, so this cup would be totally biodegradable when you throw it away. 80% of the coffee drinkers say that they go to a coffee shop once a week. 16% say they go every day. Due to the new plastic law in EU, single-use cups are going to be banned by the year 2030. This opens up a completely new market for us, which has never been before. Our B2B customers are petrol station, food markets, and our B2C segment are young millennials who we can reach online. We have competitors, we are aware of it, but these companies have not considered the modular design and the non-sticky layer inside, so the cups would be easy to clean. In the past few months, we have hit a lot of milestones, but we have kept our mission and vision clear to reduce the amount of plastic in the world. By the year of 2018, we're going to have our prototyping done and customer validation. In 2019, we're going to hit Estonia and the northern market. Our vision is to have a product line to completely replace the single-use plastics. Our team is a diverse and broad knowledge-based. We have a designer, we have an industrial engineer, and a material scientist. We're looking for pre-seed money of 8,000 euros to finish our prototyping and start with the manufacturing. We're also looking for a marketing person to brand our products. We are HPAC, and thank you very much for listening.
Thank you, Annette. And now we have the honor to have Ranmi on the floor.
Thank you. All right. Good evening, everyone. My name is Barışcan Baykara. I'm the founder of Ranmi, as you can see up there. Actually, look at me. I'm a skinny dude, and I can't find the motivation to go out. And I like to be more active in my life, but I feel insecure to go out and run with friends and everything. Like I need someone to go out and run with me. So while discussing about the idea, we came across we actually thought we can solve different problems with this idea. So namely, pursuit of competitiveness and socialization, as well as of lack of motivation. So what is Ranmi? Ranmi is an award-winning location-based social running app. It was born in a Garage 48 hackathon, where we got an award for. And what we're trying to do is get you more motivated to go out and run and track your progress along the way. So how it works. Basically, in the screenshots, as you can see, you hit up the app, you find a match, and you get their map on your screen. You tap 3 coordinates where you want your opponent to run at, and you receive 3 coordinates back. So whoever gets those 3 check marks first wins the game. So it's kind of a race. So we're targeting health and lifestyle enthusiasts, firstly, mainly those people who want to close their Apple rings, and then people who enjoy going out and playing games with others, and lazy runners like me, who are actually basically wants to be a part of something. Our app is going to be free. We want to sell in-app purchases and standard pricing like the other games out there. And we're expecting 3,000 euros return in 3 months, and 15K in a year, and in 2 years, 35K. This is what we had for now, but what about future? So right now, we have an award-winning prototype. In the upcoming months, we want to polish our design, get feedback from our beta testers, adjust to the feedback, and publish. After publishing, we have 2 more milestones. First of which is user acquisition. We're aiming for the first 1,000 active users who we're hoping to get us to the first 3K goal. We're looking for market advisors at the moment, but yeah, that is it for now for us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ranmi. Now, last but not least, Taimi.
Hello, my name is Martin Mellits, and I'm co-founder of Taimi. We see a problem in food transport system. When something is being produced, it travels to several warehouses to get its final destination. During the process, food might not be handled properly, and it might go bad. The problem is that you, as a customer, have no indication of this, since the traditional best before date show you only the numbers. It is impossible to get real-time information from the package as a customer. We aim to solve the problem with our smart food best before indicator called Taimi. It's a sticker. It sticks on the package and works like a chemical clock, ticking away based on time and temperature. If it kept on the right conditions, a food might be edible after the printed best before date has expired. Our profit comes from selling our product to food producers and packaging companies. Also, we have a preliminary contract with Valia. The market potential is huge. In Estonia alone, at least 500 million dairy products are sold each year. It will make for us 5 million market revenue if our product costs 1 cent. Our team consists of 4 members. 3 of us studying applied chemistry and biotechnology, and 1 food research and development. Also, 3 of us working in Food and Fermentation Technology Development Center in Tallinn, TTU. About funding. We have a blueprint for our first prototype, and we have estimated that it will cost 5,500 euros. Also, if we work 1 year full-time for mass producing, it will cost 110,000 euros. My name is Martin Melits, and I'm co-founder of Taimi. I thank you all and wish you a pleasant evening.
Thank you very much. These were the best teams of the Mektory Starter Tech Advanced program this spring. Now I ask the jury to leave and make the decisions on the winners, and we have the awarding ceremony just after we have had the bitches from the Startup Wise Guys program and also Prototype program, so don't leave.